Alright, so here's the video on performing the sub-occipital release, one of these deep pressure-based techniques that you can do before you go to bed. And this is a great thing to just alleviate the tension that sits like along the bottom of your skull and basically the top of your neck. Alright, so what I've done there is I've taken a yoga tune-up ball, and you can use a lacrosse ball as well. I've gone ahead and just tucked it like in that sub-occipital region. So if you just were to take your finger, place around by your earlobe, and just trace around the back and kind of get that intersection of where the head meets your neck. And that's basically the spot where you would place it. So I have it on the left side here, and what I've started to do is just try to apply like a little bit of like a downward force onto the ball, just so that I can kind of get some of that soft tissue in there just to start to loosen up. Now once I've gotten comfortable there, then what I can start to do here is I can start to just add like a little bit of like a nodding motion, just like a yes and then a release, and then progress over to that nod and chin tuck motion, and then just start to add a little bit of rotation and side to side movement just to help scrub that area and just loosen up a little bit more. And then what I'm doing here is just to kind of give me a little bit more overpressure, a little bit more pressure. So this is for anyone who prefers like a stronger type of release here. I've just used my arm on top of my forehead just to kind of increase the depth of the pressure. And then you can just go ahead and add some of that active movement as well with either a chin tuck or head turn.